Okay, we're gonna install Chocolatey and ChocolateyGUI. To do that, we open a browser. We go to the website of ChocolateyGUI, Chocolatey. We go to the install page by clicking download, and then we have to copy a command line for the PowerShell that will install ChocolateyGUI. So we open PowerShell, we run as administrator, we paste the command line, and then we click enter, and this command line will download and install Chocolatey. Once it's installed, we're gonna install ChocolateyGUI. ChocolateyGUI is an interface for Chocolatey, so we don't need to always enter the command lines for the applications we want to install. So it's downloading the Chocolatey right now. Now it's installing. It can take some time to install some application when they're big. Okay. Now it's installed. So after that, we're gonna install ChocolateyGUI. We type choco install ChocolateyGUI, and we say yes. Just it will not ask us to confirm to install it. Choco install ChocolateyGUI. Now it's downloading some dependencies that ChocolateyGUI needs. After that, it will download and install Chocolatey just with a command line. Okay, now it's installed. We can open it. ChocolateyGUI. Open it to taskbar. Open it. We need to open it as admin. I don't know why it takes some time to open. Okay. I will put the dark theme. So here's the applications we can update or uninstall. If we click Chocolatey, is all the application package from Chocolatey. So just to try it, we're gonna install Visual Studio Code. We enter in it, and then we install it. So it's downloading. This one is a checksum to see if the download is the same as the one on the Chocolatey package, the official package. So like I said, some applications when they're big, they take some time to install. Okay, so it's installed, just like this. Very easy to install application. And then we go to Notepad++, and we install it also. I install it. Okay, it's installed. And for the last applications I like for development is Python, no, sorry, PyCharm Community. This one is PyCharm Community, so install it. So these applications, they are good for development. Notepad++ is good for everyday use. So it download and install. This one I think is bigger than the other applications. So to use Chocolatey is very simple. ChocolateyGUI makes it even more simple to install applications. It's almost one click to install an application. So I really recommend it. It's a very powerful tool. Okay, this one is 500 megabytes, so yeah, it's big a little bit. So I think after this, I will install also Visual Studio Community, but for the for the brevity of it, I will end the video now. So that's how Chocolatey works. I hope you appreciated the video. Thank you.